Hello students, welcome to Nagesh Kirasgi Orchid School. Myself Pooja Dhokre. Students, in our previous session we have already started our lesson number 7, algebra. As I told you, this is very interesting topic students. In that topic we have already studied about what is meant by coefficient, variable, and even we have solved addition sum, subtraction sum of in algebraic expression. Students, today we are going to study about simplification of algebraic expression. So open your textbook, page number 102. See here, simplification of algebraic expressions. An algebraic expression can be simplified by adding or subtracting like terms. For subtraction or addition, we need like terms. As I told you, what is meant by like terms? Yes, like this. Whenever variables, both sides, there will be same variables, we say that like terms. Isn't it? Now see the expression. 3a plus 9a. 3 plus 9, 12. And as a variable, we take common a. Here 3c plus 2c will get 5c. 7a, 2a is equal to 5a. 11a minus 5a is equal to 6a. Now similarly, notice that while adding or subtracting like terms, only the coefficients are added or subtracted. In the case of unlike terms, addition and subtraction is written as C. 3a plus 5b or 8a minus 3b. Further simplification is not possible. So, we'll write as it is. It is not possible for unlike terms. Do the addition or subtraction. So, we'll keep as it is like. Now, to simplify an algebraic expression containing both like and unlike terms, group the like terms together and then simplify. So, whenever there will be the algebraic expression containing both like or unlike terms, what we do? We just group the like terms together and remaining unlike terms will keep as it is. Okay? And then we will solve the expression. Here, simplify 3a plus 5b plus 6a plus 2b. To simplify, you have to group the like terms together and add their coefficients. See here students, here they have given us algebraic expression. Read it. 3a plus 5b plus 6a plus 2b. So what we will do students, we will group the like terms together. So here 3a plus 6a will put together in one bracket, and again we will put another like terms together. So here 3a plus 6a, then 5b plus 2b. So add these two terms, 9a. As per our rule, while adding or subtracting like terms, only the coefficients are added or subtracted. So here answer is 9a plus 7b. Now here, can we add 9 plus 7 students? No, because they are unlike terms, isn't it? So we can't do the addition of these two terms. Now all of you understood how to add or subtract? Very good. Now next page. Here simplify 5x plus 3y minus 3x plus 8y. Now students, here group the like terms together. So 5x minus 3y. So for that, take the sign properly in the bracket. Here 5x and 3x is having minus sign. So in the bracket also I took here minus sign. Now plus, here is a plus 3y plus 8y. Here 8y is having plus sign, so here also plus sign. Now do the subtraction. 5x minus 3x, 2x, and 3y plus 8y, 11y. Now students, can I add these two terms? No, because they are having unlike terms. Good. Now see example number 3. simplify 8a plus 3b plus c minus 3a plus 8b, again minus 5a plus 2b plus 2c. Now students, this is very long expression. Then also you don't afraid of this. See here, what to do? Put together like terms. So here first I will take 8a, then here 3a is having minus sign, so for that in the expression also take minus sign. See here, now here 5a is having minus sign, so just take minus sign. Now here 3b, so plus sign 3b, 8b is having plus sign, again 2b is having plus sign. So as per the expression, just write the operation plus or minus. Now what is remaining here? Here c and plus 2c. So here write c plus 2c. Now do the calculation, students. 8a minus 3a, yes students, 5a. Now 5a minus 5a, 0. So for that we will write nothing, we will write here, as our answer is 0a, so we will not write anything. Now 3b plus 8b plus 2b, so just add it. What is the addition, students? Yes, 13b. And now remaining terms c plus 2c, just c, that means what student? 1c. Okay, so 1 plus 2, 3c, and this is our final answer. All of you understood, students? Very good. Now we will solve exercise 7.5. See here, see question number A, write the sum. Here x and y, two terms are there, so what we have to do? We have to put the plus sign and just add it. So here x and y, x plus y, these two are unlike terms, so we will write as it is. Okay, now xy and 4xy, what to do, students? Now see, xy plus 4xy, students, both are like terms, so we can add it. So here nothing means 1 is there, isn't it? 1xy plus 4xy, that means 5xy. Understood, all of you? Okay. Now 3a comma 4b, students, these two are unlike terms, so we can write as it is, 3a plus 4b. Now 3p and 4q, here students, 3p, 4q, what can I write here? Tell me the answer. Yeah, very good. These are the unlike terms, so we can write like this. Okay, now last one, AB and 4AB. These are, yes students, like terms. Very good. So we can add it. Here 4AB, that means 5AB. Understood, all of you, this one? Okay. Now next question, write the difference. Write the difference means what, students? What we have to do here? Subtraction. Very good. So students, here x and y are unlike terms, so we can write x minus y. Here 4xy and xy, both are like terms, so we can subtract it. Now tell me answer, students. Yeah, 4xy minus xy, Again after subtraction we will get 3xy. Here 3a and 4b. Now you tell me the answer. These are the unlike terms. So very good. 3a minus 4b. 3p and 4q. Yes, both are unlike terms. So good. Now 5ab and 2ab. Yes students, what to do here? Addition or subtraction? Subtraction, because our question is write the differences. And now 5ab and 2ab are like terms. So we can subtract this and the answer will be 3ab. Understood all of you? Now we will see our next question, question number C. Simplify. How to simplify we will see now. Here 3a plus 2b plus 4a plus b. Now students, as per the rules, put the like terms together, make a group of like terms. Now 3a and 4a. Okay, here. So I'll write 3a plus 4a, and again here plus sign, and 2b this plus b. Okay. Now solve this bracket first. 3a plus 4a, 7a, and here 2b plus 3b, 3b. So this is our answer. Understood all of you? We can't do 7 plus 3 because these are the unlike terms. Now next one, here 4a plus 3b plus 3a plus 4b plus 3a plus 2b. Students, what to do now? Tell me the answer. Yes, make a group of like terms. So we will see first 4a here and here. See, 4a plus sign of 3a, and again here plus 3a. Okay, now here plus 3b plus 4b and plus 2b. See, now nothing is remaining, all I have taken in the expression. So see, 4a plus 3a plus 3a. Yes students, do the addition. Very good. 10a. Now here 3b plus 4b plus 2b, 9b. Good. So this one is the answer. Understood all of you? Okay. Now see third one. Here, yes, all of you read it. Now see, 8ab plus 4cd plus 3cd plus 2ab. So put the like terms together in a group. Here 8ab plus 2ab. Now remaining these 4cd and 3cd. So plus here and 4cd plus 3cd. Now students, 8ab plus 2ab, 10ab. Here 4cd plus 3cd, 7cd. So we will get the answer. Here fourth one. See, 4xy, 3xy plus z plus 5xy plus 5y plus 5z. Here first we'll make the group of x, 4x, now 5x here. Now we'll make a group of y, 3y plus 5y. Okay, now remaining z plus 5z. Okay, see here, 4x plus 5x, 9x, and here 3y plus 5y, 8y. Again z plus 5z, 6z. So this is the answer. So all of you understood how to solve the simplified question? Okay. Now fifth one, here x plus y plus xy plus 2xy plus 2y and plus 2r. So we'll take first x together, x, only x is there. So what to do, students? Can I take xy? No. We'll see now what to do, students. Tell me the answer. Just keep x as it is, isn't it? Now see here, we can take xy plus 2xy together. See, first we will see 2xy and this xy together. 2xy plus xy. Now 2y and y take together. Here 2y and y. Again here is x, I have taken r by mistakenly. Now this one is also I have taken. Now x plus 2x, x plus 2x. So now solve it. 2xy plus xy, 3xy, and here also 3y, and here also 3x. Understood all of you how to solve? Okay. Now next one, 10pq, 5q, 6q minus 5pq. So first we'll see, students, just make a group of like terms. See here 10pq plus, can I take plus? No, because here 5pq is having minus sign. So just write here minus 5pq. Now plus 5q plus 6q. So do the subtraction. Yes, 5pq plus 11q. So in this way you can solve the sum. Next one, here 2a plus 3b plus 5a minus 2b plus 4a plus 6b. So just 2a plus 5a here plus 4a. Now here plus sign, 3b minus 2b plus 6b. Here 2 plus 5 plus 4. How much, students? 11a. And here 3b minus 2b, that means 1b, again plus 6, 7. Understood all of you? Okay. Now next one, 3x plus 3y plus 3z plus 6x plus 6z plus 6y. Here 3x, again 6x, here. Now y, 3y plus here 6y. Okay, and this one plus 3z plus 6z. So students, here very good, 9x, again here 9y, and here also 9z. So this one is the answer. Next one, 5p plus 6q plus 8p plus 10q plus 7p minus 3q. So put like terms together, 5p, here 8p, again here 7p, here plus 6q plus 10q and minus 3q. Okay, so students, do the addition. Yeah, 20p, and here 6 plus 10, 16, 16 minus 3q, yes students, 13q, very good. So this one is the answer. Next one, 3x plus 4y plus 5x plus 6y plus 7x plus 9y. Same rule we have to follow. Make a group of like terms, 3x plus 5x and 7x. Okay, here plus 4y plus 6y plus 9y. Solve it students. 3 plus 5, 8. 8 plus 7, very good, 15x. And here also 6 plus 4, 10. 10 plus 9, 19y. Understood? Next one, 3x plus 4y plus 4y plus 3z plus 4x plus minus 3z. Students, again same rule, put the like terms together in a group. 3x here plus 4x plus 4y plus 4y, now z, 3z and minus 3z. Here good, 7x, here 8y, and 3z minus 3z means students 0. So for 0 we will write nothing, so this one is the answer. Next one, 2xy plus 3yz plus 4xz plus 3xy plus 2xz plus yx plus xz. So first we will see xy, here 2xy, again here 3xy, now here yx, yx means also xy, so we will write here x y. Here 3yz. So I have taken this one, that's why I am cancelling it, so that I will not confused. Okay, now here yz. Is any yz term here? See students, is there any yz? Yes, see carefully. So we will keep as it is. Now 4xz. See 4, first we will see here 4xz. So here also 2xz and plus 10xz. Okay, now students, what to do now? Here 4xz will write as 3yz, sorry, 3yz will write as it is. Okay, now 2xy plus 3xy plus xy, just count it, do the addition, 6xy. Now here 4xz plus 2xz plus 10xz. Students, what to write there? Do the addition, 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 10, 16xz and 3yz like this. Okay, now understood all of you? Okay, now students, we'll see mathematics A, page number, see, 103. So give me the answer. I will ask you questions, students. Whatever we have studied in this lesson, depending on that, this mathematics A is there. So just see, write the algebraic expression for 7 less than 5 times the product of m and n. That means product means what, students? Multiplication. So product of m and n 5 times, that means okay, and minus 7. So what to write, students, here? 5mn. We can write 5mn minus 7. Again, what is the coefficient of x in 4xyz? So all of you know coefficient, yeah, 4yz. Here, what is the coefficient of ABC in 10y ABC? Yes, tell me the answer. Yeah, very good, 10y. Here, what are the terms of 5AB plus 6BC minus 2AC? As all of you know that when we write the terms, we have to take the sign of terms. So 5AB and here plus 6BC and minus 2AC. Good. Okay, students. Now we'll see next one. Here see, how is a into 4, that means a multiplied by 4, written in algebraic expression? So here 4a we can write. Okay, now if a is equal to 0 and we have to solve 4 multiplied by a, that means 4 multiplied by 0. As you all of you know that when we multiply any number with 0, so whenever then our answer will be 0. What is the value of 2m plus 4 if m is equal to 3? So here what is the value of 2m plus 4? That means 2 multiplied by 3 plus 4. So 6 plus 4, 10. Okay, now students, All of you understood this algebra lesson? Yes. Isn't it very interesting? Yeah, this is very interesting. So students, in that lesson we have studied about arithmetic, algebra, constants and variables, even coefficient also. So students, here they have given on page number 103, 104, mathematics A and B. So try to solve it. Thank you.